Did you know that you can easily sneak in a good amount of veggies into your smoothies without compromising the taste? Yes, it's entirely possible, and it's the secret to enjoying a healthy, delicious smoothie. This is perfect for those who aren't too keen on chomping down on raw veggies. You see, veggies are packed with essential vitamins and minerals that our bodies need. But let's face it, not everyone enjoys the taste of them. This is where our secret weapon comes into play: the hidden veggies smoothie. These aren't your average smoothies. They're carefully crafted to hide the taste of vegetables, but still give you all their nutritional benefits. And the best part? You won't even realize you're consuming vegetables. Think of it as a magic trick for your taste buds. Now, are you curious about these smoothies? We have 5 delicious smoothie recipes that are not just packed with nutrients, but also taste amazing. First up, we have the berry green smoothie, a perfect blend of sweet and fresh. Start with a generous handful of spinach, then add a medley of mixed berries and a ripe banana for that natural sweetness. Pour in some almond milk to give it a creamy texture. And finally, drizzle in some honey for an extra touch of sweetness. Blend it all together until smooth, and voila! And there you have it, a nutritious and delicious berry green smoothie. You won't even notice the spinach. Next, we have the Tropical Zing Smoothie, a delightful tropical treat. This smoothie packs a punch with carrots, pineapple, and mango, all blended together in a splash of coconut water. Don't forget a squeeze of lime for that extra zing. Simply peel and chop the fruits and carrots, toss them into your blender, pour in the coconut water, and squeeze your lime. Blend until smooth and creamy. The sweetness of the fruit perfectly masks the carrots, making this an ideal drink for picky eaters. And voila! A refreshing tropical zing smoothie that cleverly hides the carrots. Now, onto our creamy dreamy smoothie, a true crowd pleaser. This smoothie is a delightful concoction of avocado, banana, Greek yogurt, almond milk, and a touch of honey. The avocado brings in a healthy dose of good fats and fiber, while the banana adds a natural sweetness and a boost of potassium. Greek yogurt provides a creamy texture and a good hit of protein, and almond milk keeps it all smooth and sippable. Let's get started. First, scoop out the avocado and peel the banana. Toss them into your blender. Next, add in a generous dollop of Greek yogurt for that dreamy creaminess. Then, pour in a cup of almond milk. Last but not least, drizzle in a touch of honey to sweeten the deal. Blend until smooth and voila! There you go, a creamy dreamy smoothie that subtly includes avocado for an extra health kick. Finally, we have 2 fantastic smoothies, the Power Purple Smoothie and the Nutty Delight Smoothie. Let's dive right into the Power Purple Smoothie, a vibrant blend that's as delicious as it is gorgeous. We begin with earthy beets, a powerhouse of nutrients that lend this smoothie its distinct color. Next, we add a mix of berries, a fantastic source of antioxidants. To balance out the tartness of the berries, we throw in a ripe banana, adding a natural sweetness and a creamy texture. And finally, we pour in some fresh orange juice, infusing the mixture with a citrusy tang and a dose of vitamin C. Blend it all together and voila! A smoothie that's packed with nutrients and delectably refreshing. Now let's move on to the Nutty Delight Smoothie. This one starts with leafy spinach, a hidden green that's rich in iron and fiber. Don't worry, you won't taste the spinach once we're done. We then add a ripe banana for sweetness and creaminess. Next, a generous scoop of peanut butter goes in, providing a dose of healthy fats and a rich, nutty flavor. We blend it with some almond milk for a smooth, creamy base, and finally, a touch of honey is added to sweeten the deal. Blend until smooth, and there you have it, a delightful smoothie that's not just a treat for your taste buds, but also a boon for your health. And there you have it, 2 fantastic smoothies that hide their veggies well. So, those were our 5 delicious smoothie recipes with hidden veggies. Each one is a powerhouse of nutrients, offering a range of benefits, from the berry green's detoxifying properties to the tropical zing's immune-boosting elements. The Creamy Dreamy is perfect for bone health, while the Power Purple and Nutty Delight are rich in antioxidants. These smoothies prove that a rich, healthy diet need not compromise on taste. Remember, a tasty smoothie a day keeps the veggies at bay. Enjoy your health in a glass. Thanks for watching, and please like, share, subscribe. Want to learn more about creating amazing smoothies, healthy eating to improve your life, smoothie technology and kitchen essentials? Then remember to head on over to harmonysmoothie.com for more great recipes and smoothie tips and tricks.